Hey guys, this is Brian with B-Stride DIY. Show you some of the best tool deals and power tools for the week. This is the Harbor Freight in-store offer. It's Hercules tool. It's their bundle when you buy any Hercules tool. So you get two of these tools here for $100. And what I always like to do is I like to click the link here just to double check that it is a current deal. So it is current, as you can see. This is on the Harbor Freight website. You're going to choose any of these 10 tools and you're going to get them for $99. So now we're moving on to the rigid brushless cordless 3/8 of an inch ratchet and 1/4 inch ratchet. These are the tools only. This is the deal here. $179, 50% off was $358. Here's some better pictures. On Slick Deals, you can see some of the pictures, but they're not going to be as good as the pictures on the actual website. So let's see here. We're just going down. You can look at the different tools here. And the cool thing, when you click on the website, I would recommend doing that because you're going to be able to look at the ratings too. This one has, it looks like 4.5 stars. Now this next one here, it says EGO 10-inch power and pulse all attachment for 56-volt lithium-ion power head system. 105, it was 148. Looks like the deal is still valid, 29% off. And of course, you know, with Amazon, you can get the pictures, you can get the ratings, get a close-up here of the tool. Auto lubrication, 4.6 stars with $12.99 ratings. This looks like a half-off deal with Klein Tools. It's their 56 220 LED headlamp flashlight with strap. Hard hat. This is Amazon, and it's $12. It's 51% off. And what I really like here is that with this website, you're looking across all different modalities of stores. You're not just looking at Lowe's, you're not just looking at Home Depot, you're looking at Walmart, Amazon, Ace Hardware. It's kind of looking over all the stores because it's hard to find deals on all kinds of different stores. I mean, unless you're doing this full time. But this is really good. 4.3 stars. It says 100 bought in the past month. All right, so this next one here is a Vevor dump cart. Looks like it's just, you know, putting weeds and mulch and stuff in your yard. So this is 42% off at $69. It was $119. And this is on the Vevor Tools website. I think it's a Canadian and English power tool website. So that's pretty good. 9 reviews, so not a ton of reviews, but it does have 5 stars. You can come down here and look at the pictures. They're using it. You can actually use the dump function on this too to dump off, like if you're carrying wood or mulch. I could definitely see it being used for some mulch. Maybe like weeds or something like that if you're weeding around the yard. All right, so this is from Northern Tool and Equipment. This deal is still active. This is the Ironton Steel Pneumatic Hand Truck. It's a 600-pound capacity for $39.99. That's a $20 savings. It's a pretty good deal on a heavy-duty hand truck. A lot of times you'll see them for twice that amount. It's saying regular is $60. I was just in Harbor Freight and they had them. They were pretty expensive. Well, let's check out this DeWalt 20-volt combo kit. Let's see if this is still on. So look at this. This is the DeWalt 20-volt Max XR 3-tool brushless woodworking power tool combo kit with a soft case. It includes 2 batteries and the chargers included. $299. It was $399, so you're saving $100. This says it ends October 30th. So it looks like you're getting 2 batteries, charger, you're getting a jigsaw router, and then an orbital sander. These, here we go, yep. The jigsaw, orbital sander, 4-amp charger, 2 20-volt batteries, contractor bag, and the router. So it's a pretty good deal. $100 off. Let's see, 2 for $38. These are some flashlights. Okay, so this deal's going on. This is at Workos. Haven't heard of that website. But this is saying a DIY bundle for $37. It was $50. You're getting 2 flashlights. So it looks like you get their rechargeable flashlights. These are some close-up pictures of them. I want to see how many lumens there. Now this is another one. This is a Craftform compact slotted ratcheting screwdriver with a 39-piece bit set. $121, free shipping and handling, and it's $74. So this is still active. This is actually on Amazon. So $74.95. These are some of the different pictures here. It has this little nice holding case where you get the ratchet, all the different tools here. So this is the Northern Tool Gorilla cart. It's a two-wheel cart it's a 300-pound capacity, 4 cubic feet, and it's $75. It's saying it was $99. So look at this deal, guys. $159, you're saving 60%. It was $397. This is Ryobi. It's their OnePlus HP 18-volt high-performance lithium-ion 6 amp-hour 2-pack battery with one 18-volt 4 amp-hour lithium-ion high-performance battery. So again, that's 60% off. Looks like you can deliver. This is pick up from store as well. And this is something interesting as well. It actually shows deals from eBay. So this is a Greenworks Powerall 24-volt 2 amp-hour lithium-ion power tool. And the thing with eBay is I'm sure if it's a really good deal, it's going to go pretty quick. So that's the only thing you have to keep in mind. So here's another deal. This is a Greenworks 80-volt 18-inch brushless cordless chainsaw. And this is 26% off. $259. It was $349. This has 4.3 stars at over 1,800 ratings, and it's saying 200 bought in the last month, so that's a good indicator. This just shows, what it comes with. It comes with the battery and rapid charger. You can look at some of the items here. You can check the ratings, of course. It's Amazon. So again, another reason to always click through on the deals to make sure they're still active. So look at this one here. This is the DeWalt 20-volt max cordless drill driver, half-inch 2-speed, includes the XR 2 amp-hour battery and charger. So it was $159. That's a really good deal. Let's click on, and it is $89, 44% off here. This is what you're getting in the picture. It's DeWalt, so I mean, it's almost basically 5 stars, 7,000 ratings, 2K bought in the last month. You can go ahead and obviously click through on the pictures. Brushless motor. For $89, you're getting all that. That's a really good deal. All right, so this is from Costco. This is a Trinity Basics 31-inch workbench with pegboard. Has 4 stars. Original price was $549. They're taking $300 off of that, so it's going to be $249. So that's over half off here. This is what it looks like in the different pictures. It has the rolling wheels, which is nice, and the little pegboard so you can hang up your tools. And the pegboard actually folds down in case, say, you don't need that, which is pretty nice. But I would never even thought this would check out Costco as well. Now this is from the Red Tool Store. It says it's the Milwaukee 2447-20 M12 3/8-inch crown stapler. It looks like it is the bare tool. You're going to save 40%. And why doesn't it have the price on here? It just says see price and cart. That's kind of random. This is what it looks like here. I'll go back because I don't know why it's not showing the price. It says it's $101.42. It was $168. So you're getting 40% off. So this next one here is the Ryobi Mr. Sprayer Fogger. It says deals 70 to 80% off. So let's click this, see if it's really 16 bucks. Yeah, looks like it is. Or at least the Mr. tool only is 16. And then when you get up to the sprayer here, it's 26.